The following video illustrates the concept for an over-water scenario and shows how base stations, airborne aircraft, along with ocean vessels and communication satellites, can be interfaced to form a massive communications network. Because of the wider bandwidth and higher transmission powers, this system will be able to send and receive larger quantities of data when compared to other means. BCA, Broadband over Commercial Aviation, works on the same principle as existing microwave transmissions, except the relay stations are onboard commercial aircraft. At altitude, the line-of-sight transmission range is extended to almost 300 miles when one compensates for altitude and the Earth's curvature. Broadband signals are sent and received via ground-based microwave stations to airborne planes that in turn relay the signal onto other planes. In this way, the wireless transmission network extends from plane to plane along the airborne fleet's entire flight path. And as long as each plane is within the 300-mile line of sight, the signal data can be passed on for incredible distances. The concept is especially applicable over water where conventional transmission systems are data limited, expensive, and costly to maintain. In addition to airborne aircraft, data can also be sent and received by ocean-going vessels such as cargo ships, tankers, and cruise ships. When aircraft spacing breaks the wireless transmission link over 300 miles or equipment malfunctions, data can still be sent using satellite as backup. BCA is a radical idea that requires a radical change in thinking, accepting the fact that in addition to passengers and cargo, airlines can also transport broadband data via their airborne network.